Hello everyone. This video is to tell you how to upgrade Gpon OLT. Open command prompt in Windows operating system. Ping OLT IP to test the P2P connection with OLT. After the ping to OLT is successful, open your web browser. Enter OLT IP in address bar and hit enter. Root is the username and admin is the password. Click Advanced Setting to be assured about the firmware version. Click System and then Upgrade in the side menu bar. Be sure to select the correct file according to your OLT model. Click Apply to start upgrade process. Once the file is analyzed by the system, you will see progress bar. OLT reboot is necessary after successful upgrade. Click Apply to reboot the OLT. OLT will be unreachable while rebooting. It will be reachable again after reboot complete. Let's refresh the web page to see changes after successful upgrade. Let's log in and verify the upgrade version. Thank you for being with us. Visit hsgq.com not only for product queries, also for support and solutions.